Hello, good day everybody. You are welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be teaching you easy way to wash your radiator at home. Take a look at this radiator. Look at how dirty it is. Just like the way it is now. It's going to be causing an overheating in your vehicle. Look at the sand. The sand have covered the whole surfaces of the radiator. When the fan is blowing, it won't be able to touch the other side cell. Take a look at the cell. Look at this is the cell where the water enters and it flows into the water pump. And the sand have already covered it. Look at the other side of it. Look at how dirty it is. We'll be teaching you how to wash it. What you need that you can use to wash it. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SMIK TV. These are some of the things you needed. You need a water. Pour a water in a bucket. You can add in some clean substance on it. It's not yet over. You have to add, just like me, I make use of IC. This is diluted IC. You have to add it later in the water. It's okay. Then you turn it. It will help the water, the roasted side of the water, to over-roast immediately. Then this is what you will do. You use your brush to apply it on the body of the radiator like this. This is the first step you take. You have to apply it in all the sides of the radiator. This is it. Remember how I missed mine? You don't have to pour the diluted acid more. Just pour it little on the water. Then you apply it on the body of the radiator. Look at how dirty it is. Done with this side, I have to turn it to the other side. This is the first step. Some don't make use of IC, some make use of thinners. If you have thinners, you can add it just a little bit on the water. Then use your brush to brush the whole affected side of the radiator. This is not a dictated video. This is a raw video. We don't do to show you what you don't know. We are showing you so that you can be able to watch it by yourself at home. I'm done placing the anti-rusting on the radiator. Then what else am I to do? I have to bring out my washing machine. This is what you need. You need a washing machine. So I'm about to start now.